Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, this kit is an essential addition to your toolbox. Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am excited to present a must-have toolkit for all you data and telecom installers out there, the TK-17. This toolkit is perfect for all your wiring needs, whether you're installing a new network, making repairs, or upgrading an existing system. It's an all-in-one solution designed with the installer in mind. And here's what's included. Comes with our H-75 molded tool pouch, which is perfectly designed for the tools that the kit comes with. Comes with our ES-1964 ERG scissor, our JIC-21257 long nose pliers, JIC-22035 Pro Pick, also known as a spudger, the EPB-91461 Punchdown tool, which includes a 66 blade with cutter and daisy chain on one side, as well as a 110 blade with cutter and daisy chaining on the opposite side. The SD-61 6-in-1 screwdriver, number 2 Phillips, 9/32 flathead, 5/16 nut driver, number 1 Phillips, 3/16 flat blade screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. The CST-1I Cyclops wire stripper. And last, our FL-2000 flashlight. That wraps up what's included in the Jonard Tools TK-17 Punchdown Toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, this kit is an essential addition to your toolbox. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.